Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see what the median of a triangle is, what is the point of concurrency, and then the centroid of a triangle, and then how to find the coordinates of a centroid of a triangle if the coordinates of each of the three vertices of the triangle are given. Okay, so here I have drawn a sketch of triangle ABC. It could be any triangle, it could be scalene, it could be equilateral, it could be isosceles, it could be right angle. It doesn't matter what type of triangle it is. So I have marked the midpoints of all the three sides. So D is the midpoint of BC, E is midpoint of AC, and F is the midpoint of AB, for instance. Okay, so what is a median of a triangle? So in geometry, a median of a triangle is a line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, thus bisecting that side. So if A is the vertex and D is the midpoint of the opposite side, which is BC, right? So D is the midpoint of BC. Then the line joining the vertex A and the midpoint D is the median. So AD is the median of a triangle. Similarly, BE will be the median and CF is also the median of the triangle. So there are three vertices and three sides for a triangle. So the triangle will have three medians, right? So now what is point of concurrency? We all know what is point of intersection. If two lines which are not parallel and lie in the same plane, then they will intersect at a point. That is called as point of intersection. But that is true only for two lines. What about three lines? What about four lines, five lines? Now, if there are more than two lines, they may or may not intersect at the same point, right? Single point. So the point of concurrency can be defined as a point where more than two lines intersect each other is called as point of concurrency. All the three medians of a triangle are concurrent. That means they meet at a single point. And that point of concurrence is nothing but the centroid, right? So let's define the centroid of a triangle and its property. Centroid of a triangle. The centroid is the center point of any object. The point in which the three medians of the triangle intersect is known as the centroid of a triangle. So centroid of a triangle is a point of concurrence. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So how it is 2:1? So see this vertex part AG is 2 and this GD is 1, right? Similarly, BG is 2 and GE is 1. Also, CG is 2 and GF is 1. So, the centroid of a triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. 2 being on the vertex side. Always remember this. So, this is an important property. And if the three vertices of a triangle are given, we can easily find out the coordinates of the centroid. So for a moment, let us say A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and C is x3, y3, right? These are the three vertices of the triangle whose coordinates are known. Now the coordinates of the centroid G are given as x is given as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, very easy, and y is given as y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, very easy, where x1, y1 are coordinates of the vertex A, x2, y2 are the coordinates of vertex B, and x3, y3 are the coordinates of vertex C, right? It's very easy. So the letter G, by the way, the letter G is reserved for the centroid of a triangle. It can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So these are the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. This is possible only when the vertices of all the coordinates of all the vertices are given. I'll see you in the next video where we will solve a couple of problems. Thank you.